So we just back at the big square, and now our tour guide is taking me to the market, old market, and barbarian market. And it's a big market, so it's gonna start from, we're gonna start from here, so we go all the way around, and then we're gonna come out from somewhere from there. We've got a monkey on my Look at this baby turtle. He's a bit scared. He's not walking, but he's scared, I guess.
From Jamal to the side.
So the guy is telling us not to buy anything from here, because once we go more deeper inside the market, it'll be more cheaper and more authentic. Because they're saying it's a lot of copies. They keep telling us, say it's good, but it's not. So we are in Old Town now, so typical Turkish, typical Moroccan.
الخلولة.
Yes. This side?
Left.
I think these are the traditional Moroccan shoes. Everything is handmade. The streets are very narrow here. These are the streets where people live. Ottoman Dar. What is that?
Restaurant.
Oh, restaurant.
And here have all Moroccan handicrafts.
All Moroccan handicrafts, okay. So I'm showing you a local stuff like all walk-in areas, and it's just not far, to be honest. Once you're in Morocco, just go to the big square, and all these streets you'll find behind big square. So they're all traditional area. She opens 3 days only. So yesterday. Yeah. Beautiful stuff here. It's all traditional.
They have big things, and to the second floor they have small things like jewelry, like small gift to pay.
South.
Yes.
So do you have Christians as well in Morocco? Mrrakesh Christians? Christian? Yeah. Oh, some, yeah. Oh, okay, okay. So what was the religion before Muslim came here? Oh, so what's Berber religion? Where?
Habasha and Sudan.
Abasha and Sudan. All right. The leather market now. So everything, you can just smell leather in this whole area. So it's all handmade leather stuff. You can just smell leather.
Skin and cow skin, sheep skin.
Cow skin, sheep skin, camel skin.
Camel skin is not much. Berber Adidas.
Berber Adidas. So it's all factories are here as well, so they just make handmade, yeah?
Yeah.
So what is the average salary in this country?
Where is it?
After a long day, I'm back at my hotel. So we've done a lot of walking, and I've showed you all the Mrrakesh streets and old street and big square. And it was a long walk, but I enjoyed it, and I hope you make most of this video and you find some interesting things. And if you are planning to visit to Mrrakesh, I think this video will help you. Share and like, and until next, take care.